sana yung experience yun sa Lao, yun ang hindi ko makalimutan. Kasi sa amin, yung brat ko sa UP, pumunta nung 10 years ago. Hanggang pinag-usapan, kailan ba maulit? Gusto nyo pa pumunta sa Lao. It's an experience of a lifetime na Pero it's good that that's how you can see the livelihood of the fishermen, day in, day out. So, pero at least that's how we appreciate them for catching the fish. See, without them, wala tayong isda. Sayang lang, we would not be able to feed the Filipino people.
This is Sir Buddy.
Sa akin,
This is Miss Michelle. Hi.
Sikat na activist.
This time, kasama naman natin si Ma'am Michelle Chu Lim Chan. Siya naman po ang President CEO ng Mega Prime Foods.
Hello.
Yes, Ma'am. So, Mama, parang batang-bata pa kaya to be the President. Available na po ang agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Mga ka-agribusiness, pupunta po tayo sa Cordillera from Kalinga, Apayao, Mountain Province, Ifugao at Benguet. Kung sino interested na ma-feature, contact us 0917-827-7770.
Thank you for that. Pero I've been working for Mega Prime Foods for 25 years. So,
ayan. So, Ma'am, na-mention ni Sir William kanina na for him, it's the right time na i-turn over sa inyo, sa mga anak niya, yung management, no? Lalo-lalo na sa iyo as the President. Ano po ang mga ginagawa niyo naman ngayon?
actually, it's a very big shoes to fill. Siyempre, my dad is a very hardworking person and talagang full of wisdom siya. But ngayon kasi kami magkakapatid, we have our new ideas to make sure that our company will grow further. So we thank him for giving us the reins kasi syempre not a lot of fathers are like that. But thankful naman kami kasi nakita naman niya na kaya namin gawin. What are our future plans? Marami. We just acquired James Coffee, if you have heard. And with that, we are launching new products na secret pa ngayon.
Okay.
But it's for the Filipino people and it's for the masses. Para makatulong din tayo sa Pilipino.
In line din dun sa mga products na...
In line with our products, canned goods, and also in line with the Jim's product, which is coffee and functional and healthy.
So, kumusta ma'am? How is it managing
How is it?
the business?
It's really good. Actually, it's not that stressful that other people think. I've been doing this for 25 years, so I know how it works, and I have a lot of good people. Yun ang key doon. You need very good people to work with you. So we are lucky that God gave us people that could run the company with us.
Anong mga example mo na ginagawa?
Anong examples ng mga items na ginagawa namin? Marami. Secret pa yung iba, but it's really for the pantry of the Filipinos.
Okay.
So, to the line of, syempre, mga noodles, mga meats, yung mga ganon. So,
Parang multi-brand.
actually, that's our, is we want to build powerful brands for the Filipino people. Syempre, affordable. But I think the future will be towards the healthy population. So, how to keep our population healthy, how to keep Filipinos be in good shape, you know, even our aging parents, ganun. So, mga secret, counting secret lang. But that's how we want it to progress. Pero siguro, it's not going to be kaagad-agad. It will be a journey towards that.
I understand na meron kayong foundation, the
Mega Chulim Foundation.
Yes. Ano, Mega Chulim Foundation.
Mm-hmm.
At natanong ko nga kay Sir kanina, ano yung mga ginagawa ninyo kasi syempre naging maganda yung nature sa inyo sa business. Ano naman po yung ginagawa nyo in return?
So there are two aspects now. Mega Chulim Foundation is a foundation that helps in the feeding and the nutrition of the Filipino people.
Okay.
So we go around nationwide and we have these feeding programs and also what we call our Mega Malasakit CSR.
Okay.
So we go there, we go to the gym and invite a lot of people from the provinces. And then we have games and cooking demos and teaching them how to prepare the sardines. And namimigay kami ng mga sardinas. So that's one of aspects of the Mega Chulim Foundation.
Okay.
Actually, we just finished Palawan and we'll be going to Samar next week. So I'll be there in Samar. So, and then for our sustainability naman, first is we adhere to the 3-month fishing ban.
Okay.
We don't fish for 3
3
months. So para to allow the fish to grow and spawn. So that's one of our responsibilities and we make sure talaga we adhere to that. But aside from that, during the fishing season, we have our mega ocean cleanup. So what we do is our vessels coming from the fishing ground, pabalik, they gather the trash that they see along the way. So meron kami parang batways na net.
Okay.
Tapos talaga kinukuha nila lahat ng mga basura na nakukuha nila along the way. And ang dami talaga. Kaya we really want to protect our seas. So we have this initiative. Ayun, so.
Okay, ma'am, any message to our audience to inspire them?
Sana wag kayong magsawa na kumain ng Mega Sardines. We have this Mega Sardines Museum para at least we want our kids to experience and to learn about how to make sardines. And hindi siya mabilis gawin. So marami talaga naghihirap. We have a lot of fishermen who really pour their heart out to catch the fish to make one can of sardines for the Filipino people. Pero yun, thank you for making Mega Sardines #1. And we have a lot of other brands that are quality na maaasahan nyo. So hopefully, i-support nyo rin.
Okay.
Like Mega Prime, Mega Tuna, we have vermicelli, we have noodles. So marami.
Ang dami na. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am Michelle, since andito na rin lang tayo sa museum, pwede mo bang i-tour lang kami? Bigyan mo lang kami ng glimpse anong makikita dito sa museum. Is it okay?
Sure. So dito, kasi this is the area where the kids, actually dito sila tumutuwa. Kasi yung mga bata, pwede silang mag-feel ng sardines dito. They can be, like, sila, mag-gown sila, mag-boots and lahat. And then pwede silang iikot yan dito. So dito sila, they will fill in the cans.
Kumari,
Gaganon sila. Para feeling nila na gumagawa sila ng sardines. Mukhang tunay, di ba? So, my God. So, this is the interactive portion na namin, especially for kids. Pero pagka-adult, minsan, hands-on, pag gusto nila doon sa loob, they can go there. So, it's more of informative siya. Para they can have the feel ba, yung nakahawakan nila.
Ito yung model na.
So this is, and then they will see the process, kung ano yung paano paggawa, from catching to canning. Kasi catching natin sa taas, yung sa fishing section. So pag nasa Zamboanga kayo, pwede kayong pumunta sa fishing ground. Yun talaga, nasa gitna ng dagat. Ay, nakapunta ka na.
Yes. 2 nights.
How was it?
Nag-enjoy naman kami.
Nag-enjoy kayo?
Nag-enjoy kami.
Pero it's amazing doon is how they were able to coordinate themselves, di ba?
Yeah.
Alam nila pag pito, ito kagad gagawin, di ba?
Each individual, alam niya yung gagawin niya.
Yes.
Very specific.
And di ba, ang daming tao para lang humuli ng sardinas at magkano lang isang sardinas. So only 25 pesos. Isipin mo, ang isang can ng tomato paste na walang sardinas, walang isda is 30 pesos. Ang sardinas, mega sardines, may mga 4, 5, or 6 pieces of fish, 25 pesos lang. Di ba?
Wow.
So, ganun kamura ang sardines. Talagang pang Pilipino talaga. Di ba?
Okay. Dito
At
po
saka
sa
masarap
other
pa.
side.
Yun ang importante. Yan. So, dito, we have fishing vessels. Depende kung anong klase siya. And we have around 90 fishing vessels. Sinasabi natin. And then this is the area where they can eat. And they can have some, parties. And then meron kami claw machine. Gusto mo mag-claw machine? dapat ipa-claw machine mo siya. Para po kang
Pira lang.
these ones, yan, ito mga ano namin yan, mga stuffed toy. Naka-brand siya. Ito, mega tuna,
Oh, I
brand,
see.
and then so, yan yung, at actually, ito yung pinipilahan nila. Kasi we give them tokens and they can do
Okay.
tapos yan yung mga gusto nila. And then these ones, yung mga parents, are in very special prices. Para dito, mababa yung prices. So, pwede sila dito bumili. And then doon sila, para silang sa supermarket.
Oh, there's may wine then.
We have wine, we have mega tuna, we have oyster sauce. So our oyster sauce is imported from Thailand, kaya super good quality. We have nata de coco.
Nata de coco.
So this is our fruit line. We have tropical fruit cocktail.
Oh, I see.
We have the premium fruit cocktail, yung parang Del Monte na marami siyang grapes. Pero meron rin kami peaches, yun. So these are our fruits line. Yung nata de coco namin, flavor. So may coffee, meron siyang ube, mango, ganda yung mga products namin sa akin. Tsaka good quality. And then dito sila mag-check out. Yan, yung mga stuff toy. Yan, and this is the facts about Mega Prime Food. So, nandiyan na yung parang timeline namin on how we started. Kaya, from then on, hirap na. Hirap. Pero, kasi everyone sees what it is now. Pero hindi nila nakikita what the hardship that we have gone through before.
Yeah.
Ang hirap rin naman talaga to penetrate the market.
Oo. Paano ginagawa as the new generation? Paano niyo ginagawa to maintain, to be the number one?
Well, first, of course, the quality has to be there. Hindi kami pwedeng papayag na walang quality. Quality is number one. And number two, yan, continuous promotion. Yung ano lang, talagang we give back to the community. But ang growth natin is really the new products. Kasi we want to grow the whole corporation. So, marami tayong new products.
Ma'am Michelle, thank you so much.
Thank you, buddy. So, thank you for visiting Zamboanga and
Yeah.
here in our Alpha plant. We call this our Alpha Batangas plant.
Okay. Sana naman ma-feature din namin yung ibang products like the nata de coco and yung fruit line.
Yeah, maganda. And we have our mackerel also.
Mackerel.
Corn, mushroom. So marami. Marami pa and marami pa to come. Ikaw yung una namin bibigyan ng sample.
Ay!
Para matikman mo.
Okay.
Ayun.
Alright, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Oh. Anong spice area?
Before tayo pumasok, kahit ano, maghuhugas tayo.
Ayan, maghuhugas tayo. Buong
Ako
pangalan mo, Kirby?
Kirby Yosores po.
Yosores.
Production supervisor po dito sa
Yan.
Mega. So, ako po yung in charge dito sa Spice Line.
Ayan. So, Spice Line po yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. So, ang Mega Prime Foods ay hindi lang kilala sa Mega Sardines, no? Marami na rin silang iba-ibang mga produkto.
Yes.
Kasama ang mga spices.
Yes.
Alright.
So, before tayo papasok,
Hugas muna
mag-ano
tayo.
tayo ng hands.
Malamig. So ito po yan, no? Mega Prime Choices Curry Powder. So lahat na ng...
Ito po yung FG na, for carton coding na po yan.
Okay, tapos
So,
na to.
tapos na po to, FG. Dito namin yung staging area namin sa FG. And then after yan, doon namin inaano sa elevator para binababa sa elevator dito para mapunta na sa warehouse.
Okay, saan tayo
So,
mag-start?
dito tayo mag-start. Dito tayo sa ongoing namin na production is 1.5 garlic powder. 1.5 grams garlic powder po.
Sarap.
So,
Garlic powder.
Yes po.
Pasok po tayo.
So, dito po kami nagpapak ng garlic using BFFS machine. So, yung product po natin ngayon is garlic powder 1.5 grams.
Parang pang isang lutuan. Parang isang lutuan.
Yes po. Opo.
Bango. Ito naman,
So, titimbang po natin yung according to standards po natin, quality standards. Kung according to, tama ba yung timbang niya sa sa product niya. So, since 1.5 tayo, so dapat masusunod
Lahat.
natin yung range ng timbang.
hindi sarap pa. Hindi kaya.
Ito lang yung nakaschedule natin na i-run. Itutur po kayo sa isa pang variant natin, which is 30 grams po.
Okay.
Okay. So right now, wala po kaming takbo since wala siyang schedule po ngayon. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung machine na ginagamit po
Okay.
namin. So dito po, right now, wala po kaming run, wala kaming schedule. So ito yung machine na ginagamit
Ito yung
namin.
machine lang,
Yes, for 30 grams.
Ito yan, no?
Yes po. Yan po yung packaging po namin.
Pang ilang lutuan na to? 30 grams.
30 grams is depende po sa volume po ng iluluto po. Let's say for example sa 1 kilo siguro meron
Pwede
kang
na.
po. Dito sa labas, dito po namin ni-stage yung finished goods namin. So mag-undergo siya ng coding, manual hangering. Ina-manual po namin ng hanger yan like. And then, after nyan, pag natapos nila yan lahat, ibababa namin for carton coding na po.
So parang pang sari-sari store?
Supermarket.
Supermarket?
Supermarket, opo. Meron po tayong 6 bar yan sa 30 grams.
So bago lang ito? Bago
Yes
lang.
po, sir. Hindi pa po ongoing. This June pa po yung launching, so pa
Parang
kami ng stocks.
trial
Opo,
pa lang
opo,
to.
Trial, opo. meron rin po tayong chili, 1.5. So,
Chili powder.
Yes po. Example po ng chili 1.5 is, ito po.
Okay. Hindi available lang ba ito sa supermarket? Ilalabas
Hindi
pa lang.
Po. Ilalabas pa lang po.
Ilalabas pa lang. Okay, patingin ng ibang chili.
So, meron din tayo ditong whole black po. Whole black pepper na 1.5.
Social na Iba na itsura.
Niraran po namin yan lahat. Depende po kasi sa scheduling po.
Schedule lang.
Schedule po.
So everyday, iba-iba
Everyday.
gagawin.
Every 3 days, 2 days, 3 days, mag-change variant kami. Para yung changeover namin hindi masyadong So by scheduling talaga siya.
Okay.
Okay po.
I guess yun lang muna
Yes
kasi
po.
ano pala to. Ilalabas pa lang. Buti nga pinagbigyan tayo. Ilalabas pa lang pala sa market.
Pero ito po, sir, available.
Available na to sa market.
Available na sa market.
Yan, maganda. Ito idea nung pwede to sa sari-sari store Yung pang isahang luto.
Thank you, Ingat.
Available na po ang Agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Agribusiness, how it works. Instruct, inspire, succeed.